important for us, and it's very important for everyone, like human beings, animals, plants. It's very useful for everyone. And in the rainy season, we can save the water, and it doesn't matter how much we can save the water, but we can save the water. And in the rainy season, we in the rainy season we do another work, like in the rainy season we don't wash our car, and not plant it, not watering the plants. So according to me, it's good.
Okay, as you said that means whenever it rains, so we can wash our car, we wash our car. But you know what? If your car is parking outside, it's parked outside, and if it rains. So you know what happens that after raining, what happens? You can find so much dust on your vehicle. So this is the worst thing.
And in that case, you have to wipe your vehicles after washing.
It doesn't matter rain is having or not. We are used to wash our vehicle because we love that. Because if we purchase anything, it means that we are very caring for that.
It doesn't mean we should waste the water.
Yeah, it doesn't mean we should waste the water.
But many people
Instead of washing water, we can
Even it's
use
very
that.
important. We should.
There we have so many kind of chemical. But with the help of them, we can wash our vehicles. Okay, we
Not
can use
vehicles,
the
vehicles.
vehicles. And we can use the Colin, as we all know about Colin.
We can't wipe our vehicles with Colin.
Yeah.
For vehicle there is a vehicle polish.
Yeah, there is other.
No, we can use Colin also.
For the glasses, we
What is
can
wrong
use
with
the
that?
factory.
Guys, leave this point, speak something more. There is much to speak about rainy season. You guys can speak about dirtiness. You guys can speak about water harvesting. You guys can speak
One of the
about.
best thing is that there are so many trees in India, but there is no one who can plant the tree. So whenever it rains, so it's helpful for that.
As
By
we
the
are
help
we are
of plant,
planning.
we can observe that water. That one is having by rain. By the help of plant, that's why we should plant a lot.
As we are planning to plant at least 100 trees in this area, and we will start this process very soon.
And as you know that the rainy season is going on, so it will help us a lot.
Yes.
This is also the best thing of
We were
rainy
waiting
season.
for rainy season.
Yeah, we were waiting for rainy season.
Now it's rainy season and we will plant so many trees. And
And
for
if
this
we are-
process, I need your help.
If we are talking about water harvesting, and we should there are lots of ways by the help of we can save water. And one way we should make like this. Whenever we are making our home, we should use one pipe that should be connected till earth, at the end of earth. It means that end of that pipe should be enter in a earth, not should be enter in a drain. It may be a right way to save their water, which one we are getting by rain.
हमारे पास
And just because of rain, there are lots of disease which one is growing very speedily. And
Yes,
there
it's
are-
also a point. Rain causes so many diseases.
after rain, you will definitely, if you ask to any person, how are you? There are lots of people who are used to say like, I have a fever, I am feeling like this, I am not feeling good, I have a pain in my hand, I am feeling a lots of pain in my body. There are lots of people who are used to give this type of statement just because of rain. As I was feeling yesterday.
As the raining we are facing, rain is good for our health. Similarly, as it causes the disease, but it is also helping us as the pollution is rising in our country. So it is helping when it rains, all the pollution comes to the earth and environment becomes clean. So it is also doing the cleaning process, which cannot be done by other machines, because as we have seen at ITO, there is a Vayu, which is converting the polluted air into fresh air. But rain does it in very well manner, because it is easy to clean the air through rain. And the other thing is that it is also creating some problem to the people, like they are facing accidents and people slip while riding their car or bike, and it can cause an accident.
Yes.
And you know, when it does not rain for a long, so we have to face so many kind of dust. When it rains, so after raining means what happens, we can feel the fresh vibe. We can feel the fresh vibes if you go to road, if you go anywhere, if you go to park. So after raining means we must go there. We can feel the fresh air as well.
And it is also helping to the farmers to grow their crops, because we know that in our country there is not that much water to
Irrigate.
to plant, to water every
To irrigate the fields.
yeah, to irrigate the fields, and it is when it rains, it helps to crop to grow well. So it is also helpful for the farmers to grow their crops, and as he said, it is also helpful to our environment. It decreases the pollution, and our water level goes up because of the rain. And in the cities, we also have to do water harvesting, like we can harvest that water, we can make some container and to save rainwater, because it is very helpful then to our environment. We can use less water. So when we save rainwater, we can use them. We can
Rainy water.
rainy water. We can reuse them. So it is very helpful to save water.
But as the global warming and the pollution is increasing, the schedule of rainy season is changed. Now people are waiting for the rain, but it is not coming on time, because as it used to come. But as there is so much change in our environment, it is causing the seasons also. That all the seasons are not coming on their time. It has changed the schedule.
It happens with all the season, as just like winter, summer. Okay, as whenever means it means if we talk about the winter season, so means in our age we feel means so cold. Okay, but whenever means so.
It happens because
But our family, what they say means they say that it's nothing when it used to happen in their time. It was too difficult
The
to
rainy
face
season we
that.
can face accident, and we don't
They-
go to
So
the
everything has
school.
changed.
We don't go to the school, we don't go to the office. So that's why I don't like rainy season. After rain, we can see here and there spread the mud. And
As
that
Arpit said that means
Guys, why don't you speak about the water logging problem?
as he said that he does not like raining because whenever it rains, so he cannot go to his school and anywhere. But there are so many friends where they pray to God, they pray God to that God please it rains, it must rain.
They
so that
enjoy raining.
yeah, so that they may not have to go to school.
Guys, we must speak about the flood also. In India, there are so many states at this time which are suffering from flood.
Mumbai, Kerala, Assam, Bihar.
Yeah, Bihar, especially Bihar.
All these states are
So many
facing-
people have died due to flood, and it happens only in rainy season.
Only happening because of the rain.
Yeah,
the delays in seasons.
and the condition of Mumbai is also worst. And it's not only this year. It happens all the times, all the years. Whenever it rains in rainy season, the condition of Mumbai goes worst.
Because it is nearby to the
rain
sea. That is why it is facing too many problems. Because when it rains heavily, so all the water comes to the road.
Sometimes worst thing for us, like if we want to go outside, there is much traffic in roads. We have to wait 1 or 2 hours for wait to go somewhere. And, like in Mumbai and Bihar, there people are fighting with their lives, and like they are making a bridge by themselves. The government are not helping them to go, and like there are so many people who are there are so many people who give their
in the rain Mumbai building in Mumbai one building are fall down.
A building has collapsed and fallen down.
Building has
Collapsed.
collapsed and fallen.
Guys, what happens in Mumbai, the people face the scarcity of drinking water all the time. There is a scarcity of drinking water. But what happens in rainy season, there is flood. Like it's like flood. Means there is no proper management. There is no proper management for water harvesting.
They
This
don't have
rainy
drinkable water.
the rainy water can be used as drinkable water if it's proper management there. But the problem is there is no proper management.
We can convert the raining water into the drinkable water.
This is a drinkable water if it is cleaned properly. If it is stored and cleaned properly, it can be used
We have to
as a
clean it.
drink.
Rainy
Yeah.
water after 1 and 2 minutes you can drink.
So I have been in the Mumbai, so I have seen so many times in the Mumbai, and it keeps on raining continuously day by day. Because and most of the people don't like to raining because they know that it's very bad for like those who are flying in the plane, because the pilots are unable to catch the signals. So they have to face the problem of they are unable to catch the signals, and the passengers of the flights feel hodgepodge. And those who are watching the TV and they are unable to watch the TV because the
Transportation he is speaking about.
the dish
Transportation is also affected badly. You guys notice that?
All the trains are delayed.
Yes.
And whenever it rains, so we cannot have.
Sometimes the flights are cancelled and delayed. Trains are cancelled or delayed. And on the road also, you guys can see the condition becomes pathetic. On road also.
And in China, I was seeing in news in China, they are just because of flood, the roads and bridges are falling down, and the houses also.
But many people feel fear because they watch the all the news channels. So many countries are facing the flooding, and because they think that less it should rain, less it should the clouds burst. So most of the people feel fear.
And we guys are not speaking about the pros of rain. The people like rainy season. The people wait for rainy season because we guys get rid of the scorching sun. Before the rain,
As the
it's
global
much
warming
heat.
is increasing, the temperature is also increasing. And the rain helps us by reducing the temperature.
Yeah.
That is why as in Delhi also people were waiting for the rain. And it is not proper. Even today, rain is not proper in Delhi. It is not coming on time. We are just waiting and
As
praying.
we must have.
Yeah, we should have.
And we are not only waiting for the rainy season, animals are also waiting for the rainy season.
Yes, yes.
Because we are living in a home, we are living in a good place, so we don't need that much of rain. But who are living, animals are living on forest, they need rain because they are also getting heat from the sun. So this also helps them to feel better, or their environment change, so they can live their life easily. So it's also helping to
Whenever it rains, so in charge company of telecommunication, they also have to face so many kind of problem because whenever it rains, so those who use means Wi-Fi connectivity, Wi-Fi internet, so they have to face so many kind of problem because the amplifier is connected with the pole, and whenever it rains, so there may be so many kind of problem into that amplifier, so people cannot use the internet. So what they do, they keep calling to their customer care, and just due to that thing means company have to face so many kind of.
And the other thing is that rain brings humidity.
When I used to work in
Yes.
so it used to happen with me also.
When it rains, we sometimes we have seen that we suffer humidity. We just get so much sweat, and we are just not able to sit anywhere, even in front of the AC. Or AC can help you from getting rid of sweat, but cooler is not working at that time. Or the fan is also not helpful. And if you are going somewhere in the car, then humidity because of the rain, it gives so much sweat to us. Some pakoda,
Yes,
some
I like
pakoda. We enjoy rain. We just like to eat some good
No,
stuff.
if we are at a home and at the time if it rains, so that is okay. But if we are out, so and if at the time it rains, so it creates so many problems to us.
But we miss that thing. That if we could be at home, so we will be enjoying. We would be enjoying. If we were at home.
And as we said, we cook some pakoda, then we enjoy them. It also gives us time to enjoy.